Yeah, and guys, we are back live again. A small request from all of you. I know all of you want to go live with me, but all these requests are really hampering Suresh from getting into the request frame. And here it is. Suresh has been sending me requests for a while apparently, and I've not been able to get onto him because all of you seem to want to get onto the chat, which is definitely not possible. So I am waiting on Suresh's request right now. Yeah, there you go. Yes, finally. I hope it is him and it is not one of those fan pages. Oh, is it him? I'm waiting for request from Suresh. Yeah, there you go. I hope it is him, but it doesn't have a blue tick, so I'm wondering who it is. All these naughty fans here. Okay. Uh, okay, I'm waiting for Suresh now to join. He has given me a request. Oh, finally. Hi,
Hello.
Suresh. Finally, you got there. I had
How
about
you are?
195 requests wanting to join us on this
No, I've sent you
Instagram live.
7 requests. I don't know why. Maybe some of the fans must be saying, watching. They want to go live with you.
No, they are very very keen to listen to what you're saying. In fact, you'd be so surprised if I told you what they are telling. So many of those fans from CSK, especially from Tamil Nadu, have completely gone crazy. They don't even call you by the name Suresh. They call you by names like Chellam.
Chilam.
Chellam in Tamil means what? Mera pyara types. So
Achha, I
that
thought
way. So
we
there is
call
so
it
much love here.
Jhelum in Srinagar. There is a lake, na? Jhelum.
Yes,
They
that's
did a
right.
lot
That's
of
right.
movies,
That's
old movies.
Jhelum. This is Chellam.
Chilam.
Small change. This is CH. So like Chennai, it's
CH,
Chellam.
yeah.
Correct.
Chilam.
So you can obviously use it.
Oh, yeah.
Suresh bhai, kaise ho? How are you? How are you going through this
Good, good,
lockdown?
Ashwin. You tell me. How's everything? How's your family? How's family? All good?
Family is doing all right. Just about getting to the time where we are all getting very very anxious inside the house, want to get out, and it's
Exactly.
becoming. Yeah, I'm sure, but everybody is. I'm sure everybody who's there on the Insta live here are taking good care of themselves. It's very, very important that you stay indoors, even though we are all
Definitely.
feeling very nervous about it. And tell me, Suresh, how are you? And thanks firstly for joining me on this Reminisce with Ash episode. I've
No, I
been
love
wanting to
those
do this.
the World Cup episode. You've been talking about those late 90s, 80s games. I think everyone should know it's brilliant games we have been watching these days because of the lockdown. I think those memories are still fresh. The way you talk about the spell and the batting and the captaincy and everything, I think that's brilliant.
Thank you, Suresh. Suresh, I have a query. Do you know
Yeah.
who I made my international debut under? Who was the captain of my debut game for India?
I think me,
Yes, you happen to be the second youngest captain who went on to captain India at a very young age, and I made my debut under you. And the one,
Zimbabwe, I think.
yes, no, it was in Zimbabwe, but the team was Sri Lanka.
Yes, yes.
It was against Sri Lanka. I think Chandimal also made his debut in the game,
Chandimal,
and
yes.
he made 100. We lost the game, but yeah,
Yes.
great memories, great memories.
Yeah.
Suresh, I want to ask you something about one of those knocks that I spoke about
Mm.
when I started Reminisce with Ash, which is the knock against Australia in the quarterfinals, which I spoke in detail about. But I wanted to understand, how was your mindset? How did you feel? Because you hadn't played in the 2011 World Cup much. Like me, you weren't playing a lot of games. We were actually sitting on the sidelines. How did you feel? How did you get that courage and think to go out there and just play the way like you did?
I think I was doing a lot of practice before the game, and I haven't played any league matches. I knew something will come up, some game will come up. I have to really sure about my game. I have to be very clear about my thought process because knockout stage you need to be very clear with your thought process. I was only waiting. I played one game like you mentioned in your Insta live. I think the game I played in Chennai, I didn't get runs. I think I got out on 43rd or 42nd overs. So I thought I might play again in the semis or quarters or not because I've worked really hard with Gary. Gary only told me you need to do extra work because whenever things comes in your way, you need to grab the opportunity. So I think I was in a very mindset, a very good mindset.
Yeah.
So that's
And
why,
एक
yeah.
एक रिक्वेस्ट भी आ रहा है हमारा श्रीधर सर का रिक्वेस्ट थोड़ा हिंदी में बात करने के लिए. मेरा हिंदी तो इतना अच्छा नहीं है बट आपका
नहीं
हिंदी
नहीं
बहुत
नहीं,
अच्छा है.
चेन्नई में आई प्लेड विद यू कितने साल, और तेरा हिंदी मूवीज भी देखता है, फ्लाइट में भी
मूवीज.
बहुत सारे प्लेयर्स हैं जो हम लोग बात करते हैं हिंदी में, जितने भी नॉर्थ के प्लेयर आते थे या फिर बिहार से या हमारे यूपी से, यू बिन वेरी गुड टू ऑल ऑफ देम। तो हिंदी में डिस्कशन करना, तो तू बात करते है, मोहन को नहीं आता है हिंदी, थोड़ा थोड़ा आता है
अब
इसको।
अभी तक नहीं आता है वो समझता भी नहीं है क्या. एक्चुअली बहुत बार ऐसा हो चुका है कि हम हडल में बात करते हैं और जैसे
हम्म,
हम लोग भाग के चले जाते हैं ना अंदर, वो आके पूछता है क्या बोला, क्या बोला, थोड़ा बोल दे.
हम्म।
क्योंकि माई भाई कभी कभी बोल लेता है हिंदी में ऐसी, मॉन्ग ऐसा करे रहना, इधर करे रहना,
हाँ,
ये प्लान है वो प्लान है. वो ऐसे
हाँ,
ऐसे पूरा ऐसे ऐसे हाथ पूरा पूरा सर हिलाता है, फिर अंदर जाके पूछता है क्या बोला है, थोड़ा एक
हाँ।
बार बता देना फिर. I mean, those are like unbelievable days, Rana bhai. And in fact, I want to just dive into the next thing that I wanted to ask you.
हम्म,
In 2010, where I was
हम्म,
taking, obviously, Mahi bhai just smashed his way and took us into the semifinals,
हम्म,
which we went on to win. All that is great. But tell me, how was your mindset in 2010? It was
हम्म,
by far you're known as one of the greatest batsmen the IPL has seen, and you are probably
हम्म,
called the Mr. IPL. But
हम्म,
from that perspective, to have had a season like 2010 where it was not the usual Raina-esque season,
हम्म।
how did you manage to go into the finals and make such a big score and put the total on the board for us to win? How was your mindset again?
I think
Because
every playoff we enter into, I think I've always sat with MS, and me and MS and few batters, we always have good meetings about how we go about the playoff games. That's why you've been seeing we have been very consistent in the final, before the final. So that game also the same thing happened. Me, MS, Monk, and a few of the batters like you also been contributing a lot of time whenever we needed you. You always goes there, and you have done it in the past. And I think MS believed in our batting ability, and you've been always delivering in the power plays. So I think he only told me just to be calm. I think we lost 36, Hedden and PP, Parthiv Patel, he was also there. Then Monk also got out. So then MS and me were batting, and wicket got slow actually in between. So we were not able to hit boundaries. We were not able to use the pace. So I think we just stopped for the 2 overs. I thought let's take our time, try to be very solid with our rotation, the strike. So that's really worked for us. Then later on, the ball was coming really nice. Then we went on to score 160 or something. Then Anirudh Shrikant also batted really well later. He batted really well to take us to 160 when he played
yeah,
the last over to Malinga.
no, what really, if you look at it, there is a pattern. You come in, do what you did against Australia in the World Cup, then you did what you did against Pakistan, and then you've again gone in with the same mindset. For cricketers, I mean, many cricketers like me, also for me, that thinking comes where
Hmm.
if we have not had a great time, we are always looking for when the next decent performance will come. You're looking to be conservative. You look to, you want to. मेरा जब दिमाग में ऐसा चलता है
Hmm.
कि अगर मेरा विकेट्स नहीं गिर रहा है या थोड़ा टाइट नहीं डाल पा रहा है, मेरा दिमाग ऐसा सोचता है कि चलो हम 4 ओवर डालेंगे, 1 ओवर डालेंगे, एक बॉल की बात है, अभी डॉट बॉल डालना है, अभी सिंगल देना है, ऐसा माइंडसेट रहता है. बट जैसे रन रन नहीं आया ना, फिर भी जरूर भाई.
Sorry.
कोई
नहीं
बात
नहीं,
नहीं.
ऑफिस का फोन है।
तो सो ऐसा माइंडसेट रहना बहुत मुश्किल है, क्योंकि वो जो माइंडसेट वो बोलता है कि थोड़ा कंजर्वेटिव ले लो, बट जाके ऐसा इतना फ्रीली खेलना उतना इजी भी नहीं है. सो ये बड़े बड़े मैचेस में कैसे हो रहा है? इट कैनॉट बी एन एक्सीडेंट.
I think I've seen you also, like you said about knockouts. When things don't get in our way, I mean to say that you really need to work hard, especially in the net session. I like to be prepared myself. I like to bat in a longer period of time. Make sure I'm tired and I'm just thinking I'm just done my homework. When I go back to my room, when I'm the next day when the match comes, I have to be very sure I'm prepared. I'm mentally very strong. I'm physically very strong. That makes me believe I can really perform in pressure situation. And top of that, I've been batting in middle order only. Middle order, sometimes you know how it is. Sometimes your batting comes in 35 overs, 45 overs. Sometimes it comes in 10 overs. So you have to be ready all the time. So that's what always believed me when I batted number 3 in IPL. I know I have to be very solid with my batting plan. Otherwise, you can't have a lot of runs in middle order. which is
It's
very
very
difficult.
you rightly pointed that out. I've also felt always, especially when you are Mahibai bats at that 5-6 slot in the one day games, it is such an unforgiving place because many a times you don't have many runs to show. You're many times
Exactly.
hitting the ball and getting out. You're not stacking up those averages, and you're
Yeah, very
very
true.
rarely going to make those hundreds. It's one of the most thankless jobs, and I think that's exactly where Mahibai's brilliance lies. The consistency
Exactly.
of bringing it
Very
out.
true.
And anyway, this is I'm going to take this is about you, so we will take
Hmm.
that on another day.
Yeah.
So as we are talking, Sridhar sir has actually brought out a point.
Hmm.
Sridhar sir is live and he's gunning the questions. So
Okay.
and I was anyway going to
Shiva.
talk to you about it. सो आपको एक वीडियो गेम का मैच याद है? एक गेम हुआ था मुंबई में जब हम लोग 240 चेस कर रहे थे किंग्स 11 के अगेंस्ट 230
हाँ.
एंड एक 6 ओवर का वीडियो गेम खेला आपने. जैसे जहां भी बॉल डालो एक चौका या चक्का जा रहा था. और मुझे अभी भी एक ओवर का याद है कि परविंदर अवाना डाल रहा था और एकदम 2 फील्डर ही रख सकता है बाहर पावर प्ले में. सो मुझे ऐसा आइडिया है, कवर के ऊपर बॉल गया और मिड ऑफ के ऊपर गया और लेग साइड में गया, फिर सारे फील्डर लेग साइड में अंदर बुलाया और उधर एक चौका गया. ऐसा सिर्फ वीडियो गेम में होता है, बट ऐसा मोमेंट ज्यादा लाइफ में नहीं होता है. सो आपका फीलिंग कैसा था? क्या क्या चल रहा था?
I think when I saw Virubai hitting a lot of sixes, and I thought wicket is definitely very, very good. I was thinking maybe we can chase 180, 190, but they ended up scoring 230 or 240.
230, 230.
230 something. So when I was going to the dressing room, I was just only telling myself, just be calm, just take your time. I would just, the moment I went in, I saw the calmness in the dressing room. Everyone must be thinking, oh, we must have lost the game. But I was in a different zone that time because I've seen from the slip, from the point, from the covers, and I was also fielding from the mid off. Every ball, Virubai is like playing so straight. So that game I've learned in from the first inning, I have to be very, very particular about my bat flow. I have to go through all the check drives, especially take all the balls, all the ballers to straight boundaries rather than taking all the across bat. So when I went in, I put one grip on my bat, the favorite bat of mine. Then I went in, and the calmness made me believe I can do it because the believeness in me and the amount of believeness in our dressing room, MS was there because me and MS were thinking we can do this. So I think we believed it. I felt so good when every ball was coming into my bat because wicket was good. And initially when I hit one or two boundary, I said, no, this is the game. I'm gonna
It
take
feels
it
good.
from anywhere. That's a feel you sometimes you have as a batsman.
No, in fact, I remember that game. I bowled 4 overs and gave 41 runs. And after
Yeah.
after bowling those 4 overs, I felt like I've actually bowled well here.
And 2 overs you bowled in the power play also. Not to
Yeah, I
forget
think I
that.
bowled one
One
or
or
two
two.
overs. I can't remember. And
Uh,
Viru was on complete song. He just
Virubai just smashing everything. And
he
he
was. I mean,
smashed
it was
Ashubai, Jaddu, and few of the Mohit Sharma was bowling. And he was just no tiredness in his batting. Every flow, I think he must have hit 8 or 9 sixes. And he was singing the song. I said, Virubai, give me half of what you have done. I'm going to win this one for my team.
no, no. Like when you're speaking about the game, I can still remember from the top of the head that I wanted to go and like catch Baz by his collar and just lift him up in the dressing room. I was so angry because he was like he you got run out, and the very
Mhm.
next over Bass got run out because at the end of the power play we had made 100 runs and it
Mhm.
looked like 130 or 14 overs and this game was done.
Exactly.
That was
We would
exactly
have finished in 17, 18 or 19 hours only.
exactly.
Mm.
And mind you, if we had won that game and gone, we might have got that extra time. But I mean, that's for another time. We might have gone on to win that final. I think KKR and Kings 11 played the final that year. We might have gone to the final that year. So
Yes, and we
it
were
was a very,
we
very.
supposed to play in the Bangalore. So Bangalore wickets always suits our batting, our bowling, and though I think that would have been the good game for CSK. But that game I've learned
We
one
went on
thing.
to
Yeah,
go.
please.
No. In fact, at Bangalore, like you said, finals it suits us.
Hmm.
We won against
Won the
KKR in the
Champions League.
Champions League final.
Yes,
I
that
think
I
you
was
got
trying to
100
say.
there in that game, right?
Yes, and I still remember the spell you bowled against Mumbai Indians when we got the man of the match. 4 overs, 30 or 29 runs, 3 wickets, and especially in Mumbai. So that spell
Yeah.
of yours, I still remember. Then you bowled against one spell when you got RCB 4-1, a 16-3, then one more against KKR, the same spell. because
Yeah,
I think I believed one thing in your bowling. Can I speak? I'm your captain, brother.
go ahead, go ahead. Now it's your
So
turn.
you bowl really really well on those games because you only started. If you see your power play bowling average and power play economy has been always below six, and especially in power play when you're bowling in Mumbai or in Bangalore in Chennai, everywhere you just give us a breakthrough. That's why always MS believed in your ability. And the best thing about your planning, the way you got the carom ball, made every batsman confused. Just take one or two ball dot. That way you are top of the game all the time. That what I felt when you played for Pune, when you played for Punjab. I said, Ashwin, you really need to be careful. I'll take the other bowler because especially in power play later then you can really rotate the strike. Power play I don't want to take chance against you because you might give a surprise because later I have 14 overs to bat. I can cover cover on later on.
Thank you so much. I'm humbled. But Raina, tell me something. There is one game where both of us did exceedingly well. It is a
Mhm.
trivia note for you. Okay, we did exceedingly well again in 2010. Okay, it was a game against KKR. I was the man of the match, and the game got over in 13 overs. Do you remember the game?
Exactly. Me and Monk had a brilliant partnership, right?
Yes, same game, the same
Yes,
game. You're right.
yes.
And
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 you
what
you bowl really well.
In
And
fact,
then yeah.
that game I made a comeback. I was in the that was the same year where I couldn't finish the game with the bat against Kings 11. We lost
Mhm.
in the super over. I think
Mhm.
you were the captain that game, right?
Mhm.
Correct.
I think Irfan bowled really well. He used the angle. No one knows the ball was reverse swinging. So suddenly, maybe I felt because the 6 runs, 7 runs, and the fielders was everything in a way. I think Sangakkara or Mahila Jayawardene was captain, right? He
I'm not
did
sure who
well.
was the captain. I think Yuvraj Singh might have been the captain. Kings 11.
UVPA was the
Yeah,
captain.
UVPA,
When him
UVPA, correct.
and Mahila came for the super when Muralidharan bowled that last over, right?
Yeah, Murli bowled the super
Murli
over,
sir.
and obviously I
Yeah.
think we made about. There was this Rusty Theron who bowled a good super over
Rashid
for
Dhawan.
Kings 11.
Yes, yes.
Yourself and Haydos played that over, I think,
Yes,
if I'm not
Heroes
wrong.
hit 1-4, then he got out, then I hit 1-6 and one over the cover 2 runs, I think 1-4. Then they needed some 11 or 15 runs. Then UVPA played that reverse sweep. I didn't know he
For
might
four.
play that.
Correct.
So when
We also spoke about it. Do you remember?
Mhm.
We've never seen UEPA play a reverse sweep, and he played
That's why we
the
didn't keep
reverse
the
sweep.
2 point. I thought he might go over the top and he might go the slog sweep.
Slog sweep. Yeah,
Then Mahendra Javadin, when he hit 1-6, again second ball he tried to, then Monk got a catch. So then I
yes.
thought UVPA will take one ball at a time because still they have to have three balls. And suddenly he played that very, very good shot. I
Reverse
said,
sweep.
wow, we should have kept that fielder there.
No,
Because
I
now
mean
that's that.
that season was out of the world, Sureshi, because I feel we never we. I mean, I got dropped once out of the squad, and we looked like it looked like that was not meant to be our campaign, and all of a sudden that I felt that KKR game where we won the game in 13 overs gave us the
Mhm.
net run rate for us to go through and
Exactly,
start
exactly.
scripting.
Otherwise, we would not have played the final because that's run rate we needed to have it on our table because we were, I think, very below if we had to come first or second. We were fighting for the second spot, right? The third one.
No, I think we might. I don't know which number we qualified, but
Mm-hmm.
we were looking like we were out. We were out of the tournament for a very long time. We
Mm-hmm.
in fact went and lost to Deccan Chargers at Nagpur as well. So it
Yes,
was it wasn't one of those easiest tournaments. But and Mahibai got injured in Calcutta when we
yes,
played
his
in
back.
Calcutta.
He had a back problem. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That
Yeah,
time.
and I think he didn't play for 2 3 games. So it looked like we were never going to like
Mm.
qualify or whatever it
Then
is.
yes, that game I also I captained the Delhi game when Matthew Aaron scored that mongoose bat,
That was
87 or something. That was the year
by
you're talking about.
by you captaining the game.
That game I was captain. Then one more game I was there in Punjab. The same season, right?
Correct. Punjab
2010.
is the one super over
Yeah,
game that you were
and
the captain. I remember. RCB.
one more game I did in Delhi also when
No,
we
RCB
won by
also. We lost to RCB. That game also you were the captain.
RCB game. I don't remember.
Yeah, that game
Delhi, I
where
remember.
Robin Uthappa made runs in that game. George Bailey played.
Bangalore.
I think I'm not sure.
I don't know.
Yeah. Because I
Mm.
remember bowling the last over of that game and giving 2 3 sixes. So I remember very clearly how it went about.
So, how
And
was the experience you played in Punjab? Because a guy like from South and you're representing Punjab, and Punjab guy they are representing South. So I think that was the two state movies. I was amazed to see the guy from Chennai who was so popular there, and you went on playing for Punjab and leading there only. So what was the experience and what was the emotion in your mind?
See, first thing, I learnt a lot. I'm
Hmm.
sure because you've gone on captain a team like Gujarat Lions.
Hmm.
You know how much it is, how much of pressure it is, how much of responsibility it is to be able to lead a side and do it at Punjab. It was, in all honesty, the franchisee was very good, quite relaxed.
Hmm.
But it was a different game altogether. You need to take responsibility for a lot of people. It is not what you are used to, right? I think
Yeah.
in CSK, a lot of pressure is taken away from you
Hmm.
because of the Mahibai presence
Yeah.
and because of the victories that we've had, because of the team, the oneness of the team, which has been retained for years together. So
I think
basically,
top of that, you see our franchisee also look after each and every aspect of the emotion of the players. They look after their families. That's what I have felt when we came back after 2 years of suspension. We won the IPL after that. So I think whole family was there. The kids were playing. We had so much time for the family. The family time was so important when we go on tour. You know how we do a lot of team meetings, a lot of matches, a lot of travels. I think kids made us look very calm because everyone was talking about this is the dad army team. They all are dads. They look very old. We were like very pumped up because sometimes you need to have a experience to show and execute. What I felt, it must be, it's my opinion. Just
no, Rana, I tend to accept with what people are talking about. I feel T20 when it came first initially they were talking about how it is a young man sport, youngsters
Mhm.
game and all that. But over the years I've realized it's a sport which can be dealt only with experienced people. People with the
Definitely.
experience of having played for years
Hmm.
are the ones that are actually being able to deliver under pressure. And as we are talking, you got the backdrop CSK T-shirt. Can you tell me the significance? Is it the T-shirt that
No, we
you
won this in 2018. So this is a
yeah.
Mahi White t-shirt I've signed from every player. So top of that, he signed. So this is his t-shirt. I got it. So I thought it's always a memorable because 2 years was very emotion for me because we you went on for played for Pune. He went on to Pune also. Then I went to Gujarat. But luckily I had few CSK players who made me believe I'm still in a CSK setup. But I think Gujarat also pretty good. The culture and the association, I think we've learned so many good things, like you said earlier, about the two culture you have learned. I also learned so many good things in Gujarat. They were amazing. The crowd was amazing. They're coming from the different places. And we had the local hero, Jadeja. He was brilliant there. He makes sure everything is good. So I think that was a good experience. But when we came back, I thought this is the moment I should always cherish in my life.
Looking forward to getting back. No, but what I wanted to ask Renabai as an extension was, yes, the franchisee is great. Mahibai takes a lot of pressure. There is oneness in the team. Pretty much, I mean, the support staff remains the same. The team members, the core of it is pretty much same. Even if it
Yeah.
is changing one or two here and there, it's only a few people coming and going with experience. So,
Yes.
what is it that you think that sets it apart? Mumbai is a great team, great franchisee,
Mhm.
a great fan base,
Definitely.
good fans.
Definitely.
RCB again a great side, lovely
Mhm.
fans. Every team has fans, but what is it that sets CSK's fans apart?
I
What do
think
you think?
definitely, like you said about MS captaincy, and MS gave a lot of freedom to all the players. You really need to execute. You work hard, do it on the main ground, do it on the game when you switch on. And at the same thing goes to all the coaches. Now we have Balaji, Fleming, Hasi, Rajabhia, and a lot of other coaches. Tommy has been the same. The Kingy has been doing the same training, and he's been brilliant. We were there in the camp. I think loyalty sometimes give you the satisfaction, give you that honesty comes when you try to perform when you know you have a lot of families behind you, so you just go out there and express yourself. So that's what I've felt in last 13 years with CSK. I think we have that same aura, we have the same caliber. That's why we believed so much in each other. You must have seen we have few quality all under this time. Piyush is there, Sam Curran is there, Hazelwood also come. We haven't changed much, but that's the quality of the administration. That's the quality of the captain. I think credit goes to Kashi sir also. He's been very spot on in the auction. George and Russell is our manager. They do a lot of hard work around the team, so they never notice anything because they're that's a thankful job. So no one just so you know you must have seen you've been played. I still remember when you were bowling in against qualified game against RCB when you bowled to Chris Gale.
Chris
One
Gayle.
ball hit at your head, and
Correct.
whole coaching staff was stood up from the chair. So he's okay, he's not. So that's the emotion, that's the feeling. It's that they brings to the table. That's I've learned the humbleness from the MS, humbleness from the coaches. That's where we are very very calm in a way. We just go out there and play.
No, in fact, like you said, and that game, I've got still got the picture where you're coming and looking at my head and
No,
seeing
I
me.
got
So,
scared. I thought he's
yeah.
okay or not because the ball was so hard, and Chris Gale is massive. He
No,
also came up to you and he said, "All right, I'm just ready to
no.
bowl again."
In fact,
Wow,
I
Ash.
don't think it was Chris. It was Saurabh Tiwari, but he looks like Chris Gale. So you're right.
No, he was Saurabh or Chris?
Yeah, it was Saurabh Tiwari. It was
Saurabh
later
Tiwari.
in the game. Yeah, it was later in
Acha.
the game. Chris got out early in that game, but that was one heck of a blow. But like you said rightly,
Hmm.
everybody, like 3-4 teammates, Tommy, King, and all of them, they accompanied me to the hospital. They checked if I was okay, what was happening.
And
So that
even the local doctor also, or Madhu sir, he will make sure that your ambulance is there and you make sure everything is there. So that thing, that's the emotion about every player. That's the beauty of the CSK. And that's where you felt you have that connection. You want to just go because some of them, I'm not playing for India for the last few months. I mean, few years now almost. So this is the time I have to give it back to the franchisee, give it back to the fans because fans have been unburdened, right? They all are very very nice. They
un-
miss
you guys,
unbu.
did you just listen what Suresh said? He said it's unbuden, unbuden.
I'll do unburdened of the Chennai fans.
So is there anything that you have to say about the fans' decibel levels in Chepauk, like Rajini would say in the recent film? Have you
I
seen the
think
recent film Darbar?
I've seen the promo in the Netflix or the Prime videos. I think I love the Chumma Khili, right? It's a lot of
Chuma Kiri, correct. That's right. That's a good one. That's a good one, Suresh. You're learning your
Thanks,
Tamil. You're
Ash.
learning your Tamil.
Thank you so much for helping me out.
சாப்பிட்டாச்சா?
நல்லா இருக்கு, right? சாப்பிட இருக்கீங்க.
Sure. It has been wonderful talking to you, Suresh. For a long time, we've not been able to do this, but it has been lovely reliving those CSK days. Is there anything else that you would like to chat about on CSK days?
No, I want to talk about the spell you bowled in Champions League. You remember in the Champions Trophy also when the game almost washed out, but they said ICC and all the match referee they were waiting for. Then we played the 22 overs or 23 overs.
20 overs game.
20
Correct.
over. Then I think 21 or 22 over. Then MS has to took one bowler who can bowl 5 overs. I think you were the one who bowled 5 overs.
Could have
Something
been.
like that there.
I can't remember if it's 21 or 22 or
I think
20,
that's a
but
wicket also. You bowled really, really well. That's why we are able to win that Champions Trophy. Then I still remember the Ishant Sharma spell when he got Pravin Bopara and Morgan. And he bowled very, very tight spell between Morgan and Stokey and Trott, I mean,
Trot,
Bell.
in fact, Trot got stumped of the first over that I bowled. I still remember Mahi bhai came up to me and said, "Trot को over the stump से मत डालना, सिर्फ
Uh,
round से डालना. वो थोड़ा
uh,
ऐसा लेग साइड में खेलने जाएगा. अगर बॉल घूमेगा तो स्टंपिंग हो जाएगा." मुझे अभी भी वो दिमाग में नहीं चल रहा कि कैसे बोला है वैसा.
रूट वाला भी सेम वैसे हुआ था. रूट वाला कैच पकड़ा था उमेश ने किसी ने. यू ऑल्सो बोल्ड फ्रॉम द राउंड द विकेट. It
Yes,
was
round
root
the stumps.
actually.
Yeah. Root and Trot.
Because
I think they got out in the 1 over. I think he was standing at backward shot leg, no?
I was
Leg
only
slippers.
told by Ahmed, just stay there, make him feel, I don't want him to play the single one, let him sweep it because
Let him sweep.
that's a plan he had it for Root because he knew he can't able to do the take the single from the square leg to the square leg because Ashwin will not able to make him do that because that's why he bowled around the wicket and he had to do the sweep only. That's why he's got out. That's a plan he had it for the 2 overs. And I still remember the quarterfinal game when he bowled the carom ball to Shane Watson when he had the very tough caught behind, right? That was
No,
very, very sharp.
yeah, Shane Watson in the quarterfinal of 2011 World Cup.
Yes.
Yeah, I think he got bowled. He swiped across and got bowled.
Which
Uh,
one he had it caught behind from the bat?
of
When
Shane Watson?
you bowled the carom ball in the quarterfinal game. Some Brad hadn't got from Yuvraj. He
No, I
bowled
got I
him
got
up.
I got 2 wickets in the game. One was of Brad Haddon. Sorry, one was of Shane Watson. The other one was Ricky Ponting. Again, Ricky Ponting also
It
got out
was
to the carom ball.
sweep.
You're right. Reverse. That
Yeah.
was a carom ball.
That was
He
the
got
carom
out.
ball. Yeah.
Zahir Khan took the catch at point.
Zahir bhai, yes,
Uh,
yes.
But for me, all my memories of bowling carom ball comes from CSK days. In fact, Mahiba used to say the same thing of keep bowling your carom ball, keep bowling your carom ball, and those confidence stays very much fresh in my memory.
You should ask
Uh,
the batters. They are very confused. They really need to take their pause first time. Whenever
I
they
will, I
take
will,
three balls.
I will remember the next time we are playing against
No, no,
each other.
definitely. I'm very, very sure. You always make sure give me that loop to put that fielder over the cover. I never play it, that shot to you. I just wait and try to go straight at you. So I know we've been practicing a lot. We played a lot of matches together.
Together,
It's a lot of
correct.
fun.
All right. Thank you so much, Suresh.
Thank
I
you,
would
brother.
like to
It
call
was
this
love.
segment as Yellow Pages
Hmm.
because these are my yellow pages from the past. And thank
Hmm.
you so much for discussing so much on the
Hmm.
yellow pages and lovely on having you in Reminisce with Ash today.
Same here, brother.
Is there anything that you want to sign off with or before I sign off?
Anything, whatever you want to talk about. I just want to do the drawing for Gracia. Not now. I still have time.
Oh, yeah. Regards to Grazia and Rio. Such lovely
They are there.
names.
Thank you, brother. Gracia has been
Thank you.
looking after little brother.
Oh, yeah. That's a good strategy to have a daughter and then have a son. It's great. You're doing your captaincy well at home.
You have to, brother. We don't have any option. We might get run out. Our umpire is very, very strict. No DRS,
Umpi-
no
Umpiring.
second game. It's just every game looked like a World Cup final. So you have to be spot on.
There is no question of DRS. With DRS
No,
also, you're
no
always
chance.
going to be out. So there is no point in
Exactly.
taking one.
Exactly.
All right. Regards to your family, Suresh.
Thank you,
Take
brother.
very
Same
good
to you.
care and see you. And thank you so much for joining us.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
brother.
guys. Thank
Take
you. Hope you
care.
all had
Stay
fun.
safe.
See you.
Bye bye.
Bye.